Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about string data type in Python. So what is a string? String is a collection of alphabets, numbers and special characters. Now we can see how we can represent strings in Python. We can represent string in Python in three ways. One is by using single quotation. That means, for example, I am giving ITUTEES. Same in double quotation. Same in triple quotation. All these are string data type. That means if I give single quotation, then the Python interpreter can treat this as a string. If you are not giving these single quotation or double quotation or triple quotation, then it returns error. So how we can represent the string? In three ways. One is single quotation, another one is double quotation, another one is triple quotation. Okay, so now we are going to see different operations performing on strings. Now s equals to welcome to ITUTEES channel. So that is a string. So how we can represent the string? Either in single quotation or double quotation or triple quotation. Now we can discuss one by one. First, how this string is stored, how we can represent the string. In Python, we can print individual characters of a string using for loop. How? We already discussed that. For I in this you are going to give range or iterable data type. So this is the S is the string and it is iterable. Yes, that's it. Print I. What it prints? It prints like this. Okay, I want to print W space E space L space C. So how? Print I comma end equals to space. That's it. Now it prints like this. In string data type, the elements are retrieved by using string slicing. String slicing is nothing but, what's the string name here? Yes. After that, you give start index, colon, ending index, colon, step. Now we are going to perform some slicing operations on this string S. So this is the string S and indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So how we can know the length of the string? Means by using the length function. Length of S. So for example, I am using a variable L. L equals to length of S. Length of S is a function which returns the length of a string. What is the length of a string? 26. 26 is the length of the string. Okay. Now we are going to see the string slicing operations. Now we can see the string slicing. So what is the output of this? Print S of 0 to 7. This means 7 means you are going to print up to 6. That means what is the 0? This one. Up to 6. That means up to here. It prints welcome. Now you can see what is the output of this. 11 to 18. 11 means this is the 11 to 18. That means it prints ITUTEES space also. It prints up to 18. Next, print S of 0 to 26. That means 0 to 25. That means it prints welcome to ITUTEES channel. So this is also S of 0 colon no end. 0 one step. That means it prints the same output. Welcome to ITUTEES channel. It also returns the same output. S of, we are not giving anything, that means default 0. To step is 1, that means welcome to, it also prints the same like before instruction channel. That's it. So now we can see more slicing operations. So now we can see how we can print a string in reverse order. The first character is represented with 0 index and the last character is 25. In Python, the last character is represented with -1. E represent -2, -3, -4, -6, -7, -8, -9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. All are minus values. Okay, so that means we can print the list in reverse order also. So what is the output of this? S of -1 to -21. So it's -1, that means -26. So -1 to -26. What is the output? LENNAHC space SEETUTI space OT space EMOCLEM. So this is the output. Now you can see what is the output for this instruction. -1, that means prints from -1. -8 -1 means 7, -7 up to here. So that means it prints LENNAHC. If I give step 2, what is the output? It prints LNAC. For example, I am taking S1 equals to ITUTEES. Now we can write the indexes. What is the first index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In reverse order, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So now you can see what is the output of S1 of -1, -8, -1. So -1 to -7, it prints SEETUTI. And what is the output of this? It prints SEUI. Why? Because the step is -2. So print S1 -1, you don't give the ending, that means up to end. And -1, that means it prints SEETUTI. So this is about string slicing. So now we can see in the string data type, we check whether a string is existed or not in the string by using membership operators. So let us discuss about membership operators in operators video. What is the membership operators? In and not in. By using these two operators, you can find a substring is in the string or not. So for example, S equals to welcome to ITUTEES channel. Now we are going to check ITUTEES is in yes or not. ITUTEES is in yes or not. How we can check? Print ITUTEES in yes. That's it. ITUTEES in yes. What it returns? If it is in yes, then it returns true. For example, I check that. Print YouTube in yes. So what is the output? YouTube in yes? No. So it returns false. In the same way, not in. In place of in, I am using not in. ITUTEES not in yes, but it is in the yes, so it returns false. In the same way, print YouTube not in yes. Yes, YouTube not in this yes, so it returns true. In this way, you are going to find a string is in given string. This is the given string S. Now you can check ITUTEES in S or not. ITUTEES not in S or not. Split function. So that means if I have a string S equals to welcome to ITUTEES channel. Now, so this is the string. I want to split this string into 4 substrings. Welcome to ITUTEES and channel. And I can store all these 4 substrings in a list. How? L. That means list equals to S dot split. That's it. Now, so what is a L? So L is a list. In this list, all the substrings are stored. Welcome to ITUTEES channel. That means the split means if you are not giving anything in these brackets, then it splits when the spaces occur. If you want to print the L, it prints for I in L. Print I. What it prints? Welcome to ITUTEES channel. For example, a mail ID itutees@gmail.com. I want to split this string if the is occurred. How means? Simply S equals to, after that L equals to S dot split. That's it. Now this is one part stored in L and this is another part. Okay, I hope you understand how we can use the split function. By using find and index functions, we can get the particular index of a substring. So now you can ask that, so what is the difference between find and index? We can see that. So now I am taking this string S equals to welcome to ITUTEES channel. So print S dot find ITUTEES. So what is the index of ITUTEES? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is the index of ITUTEES. So it prints 11. Next, S dot find YouTube. So YouTube is not in the S. So it returns -1. Print S dot index of ITUTEES. This index function also similar to find. It is also returns the index of the substring 11. But S dot index YouTube. YouTube is not in S. If you are using find, returns -1. But it returns value error. So this is the use of find and index. These functions are used to find the index of a substring in a string. If you want to remove the spaces in a string, then we can use strip, lstrip or strip. So these functions are used to remove spaces. Remove spaces. We discuss with one example. S equals to, so these are the spaces. Welcome to ITUTEES channel. So before welcome 3 spaces, after channel 3 spaces. So this is the left, this is the right. So print S. What it prints? It prints 3 spaces. Welcome to ITUTEES channel and 3 spaces. Now we can print strip. S dot strip. That means the left and right spaces will be removed. It prints welcome to ITUTEES channel. Next, print S dot lstrip. That means you can remove only left hand side spaces. That means it prints welcome to ITUTEES channel and 3 spaces. And print S right strip. Here you can use right strip. That means it prints 3 spaces. Welcome to ITUTEES channel. The right spaces are removed. So this is about strip. So lower function can convert all the characters in a string into lowercase. Actually it cannot convert. It prints in lowercase. So for example, I am taking s equals to ITUTEES. S capital. S1 equals to ITUTEES. All capitals. S3 equals to ITUTEES. All smalls. S4 equals to welcome to ITUTEES. Small. Okay. Now we are going to perform all these operations on these strings. So what is the lower? So lower function can convert all the letters into lowercase. Actually it cannot change the s. It only print small letters. So that means why? Because string is immutable. Once we assign the string, we cannot change the content in the string. So that means lowercase. For example, I print s1 dot lower. What it prints? It prints all small letter ITUTEES. Next one is lower. Is lower function returns true if all letters are lower letters. If one of the letter is capital letter, then it returns false. So for example, in this case, print s3 dot is lower. It prints true. If s1 dot is lower, yes, all these are capital letters, so it returns false. If I use s dot is lower, I is capital, then also it returns false. Next one is upper. It prints all the letters in form of capital. Print s3 dot upper. Then it prints all capital letters ITUTEES. Same like that, is upper. Print s1 dot is upper. This function returns true if all the characters in the string are capital letters. In this case it is true. If I am using s, only the first letter is the capital, so it returns false. Swap case means the lower case is printed into uppercase and uppercase into lowercase. For example, this is print s dot swap case. What it prints? It prints small I. All are changed to upper. Why? Swap case. Small into capital, capital into small. So title. It converts all the first letters in word into capital letters. That means if I use print s4 dot title, what it prints? Capital W remaining small, and T capital, O small, I capital remaining small. And is title. It can check either the first letter of each word is capital letter or not. If the first letter is capital, it returns true. If not, it returns false. So for example, in this case, print s4 dot is title. Is title? No. It's a small w, small t, small I. So it returns false. Actually, the strings are not changed. Why? Strings are immutable. That cannot be changed. Once I assign s equals to ITUTEES, I cannot alter the string. Okay. Just we can representing differently. So by using these functions, we can represent small into capital, but the actual content is not changed. Why? The string is immutable. And Next, capitalize. So capitalize means the first word in the sentence will be capitalized. Print capital. That means if I print S4 dot capitalize, what is the output? Only the W will be the capital letter. Remaining are small letters. So if you want to join all the elements in a list with a particular delimiter or separator, then use the join function. If I want to join this column with all these elements in this list, how? Means by using the join. What is the purpose of the join function? Means if you want to join all the elements in a list with a particular delimiter or separator, then use the join function. So what is the syntax for the join function? Delimiter. That means what is the operator you are going to use. For example, I want to use column. That is the delimiter. Dot join. Here I can give list or set or tuple list. This is the syntax. Now this is the example. I am taking one L. What are the elements in the L? 21, 05, 20, 20. Now I can combine all these elements using a delimiter column. That's it. So this is the use of join function. Is alpha function is used to check either the string contains alphabets or not. That means alphabets or not. Is NUM, that means alpha numeric. Is alpha numeric function is used to check the string contains alphabets and numbers. The combination of both. And is digit is a function is used to check the string contain numbers or not. So now S equals to ITUTEES, all are alphabets. S1 equals to ITUTEES 999, combination of alphabets and numbers. Now we can check these functions. Print S dot is alpha. So print S dot is alpha. It returns true. Why? So all the alphabets in ITUTEES are alphabets. If I check S1 dot is alpha, it returns false. Why? It's a combination of alphabets and numbers. Same like that. S1 dot is alphanumeric. So S1 is alphanumeric. Why? It's a combination of alphabets and numbers. So it returns true. S2 dot is digit. S2 dot is digit. If all the characters in a string are numbers, then it returns true. S2 is 999. All are numbers, so it returns true. If it is yes, it returns false. Why? It's a alphabets. If I am using S1, it returns false. Why? It's a combination of alphabets and numbers. So count function returns how many times the substring is in the string. So for example, S equals to you and your family. Now I want to count how many yous in this sentence. How? S dot count you. What it returns? It returns how many times you in the given string. That means this is the one u. So this is another u. 1, 2. That means the count of u is 2. It prints 2. I hope you all are understand all the string functions in Python. Now we can execute all these programs.
So now we are going to see string handling functions. First we see how to declare strings. We can declare the strings in 3 ways. One is single quotation, second one is double quotation, and third one is 3 single quotations. Okay, now we can print this. In these 3 ways you can declare strings in Python. Okay. So next we see, so print the string using for loop. So this is the code for to print string using for loop. We execute this. It displays like this, welcome ITUTEES channel. So what we write, we can print each character. After that we can print all the characters in a single line, welcome to ITUTEES. So next we see string slicing. Now we can see string slicing. I am taking yes. After that I print. So I am taking s equals to welcome to ITUTEES channel. Now I am going to print s 0 to 7, that means 0 to 6, and 11 to 19, and 0 to 26, and 0 to 1, and 0 to 1. So after that string slicing in reverse order. So we can see, so what happened, we can execute this. So this is the code. So first it prints welcome, so 0 to 7. After that 11 to 19 means it prints ITUTEES. So after that 0 to 26 means it prints welcome to ITUTEES channel, and 0 to 1 means welcome to ITUTEES channel, 0 to 1 means ITUTEES channel. I give 2 times, that means here you can. Next string slicing in reverse order. So this is the reverse order. So we can already we discussed all these in theory classes. So next we can see membership operator. So these are the membership operators, in and not in. So s equals to ITUTEES channel. I can check in and not in. Okay, ITUTEES in yes, true. YouTube in yes, false. ITUTEES not in yes, false. YouTube not in yes, true. So next we can see split function. Okay, what is the split function? Welcome to ITUTEES is a string. I can split, I can store into the list L, and I am taking st equals to itutees@gmail.com. I split the string when @ is occur, and ITUTEES and Gmail is stored in L1. I am going to print here those L values. So next we can see find and index. You can execute this. So 11 minus 1, 11. So that means here s dot find ITUTEES. That means the ITUTEES index is 11. So YouTube not in s, so it prints -1. For index also ITUTEES, it is 11, it returns 11. So if you are using s dot index YouTube, then we can get the error. Already we discussed this in our theory class. So substring not found. Okay, so now we can see strip functions. Here I am taking s equals to 3 spaces, welcome to ITUTEES channel, 3 spaces. I am going to print yes. I print these 3 stars for better understanding. So why? Because here we are printing some spaces. For sake of understanding, I am printing asterisks. Now we can execute this. It prints welcome to ITUTEES channel. These are the spaces. So after that stripping, so no spaces in left, no spaces in the right. After that I am using L strip. The right spaces are already, the right spaces is with S. So after that R strip, right, there is no right spaces but there is left spaces. Okay, next we can see some functions. So I am taking s1 equals to ITUTEES small, and s2 equals to ITUTEES capital, s3 equals to ITUTEES small. S4 equals to welcome to ITUTEES channel. These are the first letters are small. I am taking S5 and these are first letters are capital. Now we are going to see that so lower is lower, upper is upper, title is title, and capitalize functions and swap case also. Now we can execute this program. So this is the output we get. Now we can check. The first one is print s1 dot lower. That means what is s1? S1 is first letter capital remaining small. So all these are printed as small letters. Same like that s2. All the capitals. S2 dot lower means all small values. Next we can check S3 dot is lower. What is S3? ITUTEES. ITUTEES is small, so it prints true. In remaining two cases, false. So next S3 is small letters. I convert into the upper letter. That means not we converting, we are representing like that. S3 dot upper. That means ITUTEES all capital. Next S3 dot is upper. No, it is false. Why? Because it is small letters. S3. So this is the S3. In the same way, S1 dot is upper. What is S1? First capital remaining small. So it returns false. So it returns false. Next S2 dot is upper. What is S2? All capitals. So it return true. So after that, swap case. Swap case means small letter to capital letter to small letter. S1 dot swap case. What is S1? Capital letter first remaining small. So output is first letter is small remaining all capitals. So after that, we can use print S4 dot title. So this is the S4 actually. Welcome to ITUTEES channel. So title means all the first letters are capital letters. So next is title function. So I am taking S4 and S5. S4 as all small letters, first all small letters, and second one is in every word the first letter is capital. So that means is capital. S4 dot is title false. S4 dot is title is true. That means false. This is first false, next one is true, and next one is capitalize function. S4 dot capitalize. That means only the first letter will be capital, remaining all small. Now we can see is alphanumeric, is digit functions. S1, S2, S3. S1 equals to ITUTEES all alphabets. S2 equals to ITUTEES triple line all alphabets and numeric. S3 equals to only digits. Now we can check that. S1 dot is alpha. Yes, only alphabets. So it returns true. In next condition, S2 is alpha. No, it is false. S3 is alpha. No, it is false. So true, false, false. In second case, is alphanumeric. S1 is alphanumeric. Yes, S1 is alphabet. So it returns true. S2 is alphanumeric. Yes, it is true. S3 dot is alphanumeric. Yes, in this there is numeric. So it returns true, true, true. And after that is digit. ITUTEES no digit. ITUTEES triple line, it's also string. Triple line is only the digit. So S3 dot is digit returns true. In remaining cases false. And finally count. So S equals to I am taking you and your family. Print S dot count. How many times you? One time. This is second time. So it prints 2.